Hello, I'm Mike Valentine, here as your life purpose guide. You know, how we see ourselves and our purpose within the greater context of life are two things that really affect everything. I've been asked countless times by others, where and how do we discover our life purpose? The standard answer has been any purpose is better than no purpose at all. Maybe you could steal mine. You could take Jesus' purpose or Buddha's. Or you could live for what William Wallace in the movie Braveheart screamed as they were torturing him to death. He screamed, freedom. These may be extreme examples, yet the point is, living on purpose can only begin by establishing what it is. One of the forms the fear-based ego's mischief can take is to never actually establish a purpose, and then use that as an example or an excuse and proof that it's not possible to live on purpose now. In this guide module, I'm going to walk you through a simple discovery of your gift, purpose, and vision. This starts with the premise that each person has a gift to give, a purpose to live, and a vision we'd love to create of a better self and world. These three elements are the operating system of our essential self. This simple yet powerful work you're about to do could be the spark of a lifelong transformation. Discovering and living as your essential self is the goal of all of our work on purpose, and it's the goal of the life game on purpose. This affects how you see and relate to yourself, the world, and everything in it. Don't worry, it's a kind, gentle, and graceful process. There's room for mistakes, forgiving ourselves, learning and growing at your own pace, and doing things in your own unique way. As we get started, I have a question for you. The question is, do you want to live on purpose now? The most common answers to this question are, I don't know what it is, I don't know how to do it, and I don't know what it means. You may have just heard a similar response in your own thoughts and mind. Yet if you notice, these responses don't answer that question. They answer other questions that weren't asked. Those are answers to the questions, what is your purpose? What does it mean to live it? And how do you do it? I don't expect you to know that yet, so I'm asking a question you can answer. So now I return to the original question. Do you want to live on purpose now? And I include an invitation to answer this question as yes or no. As you start to make decisions on purpose and about purpose, you'll feel an inner power come on. You'll start to feel a sense of growth from the inside out or presence. So, what I want you to do now with the knowledge you have of the idea of purpose here, I want you to make a decision now. If you sink into the directness and power of this question and you hear an honest yes, I want to live on purpose now, it'll also reveal a very obvious next step. Follow this logic with me. Yes, I want to live on purpose now, and I don't know what it is. It must be time to learn, time to establish what your purpose is. We're going to do that. We're going to do that on purpose now. You'll need the guide module printed or handy from the section under Writing My Gift, Purpose, Vision in the app. It's these 3 pages. If you don't have it, pause the video here and print it to write on, or open it in a new window so you can reference and follow along when you restart the video. I recommend printing it and using the worksheets to write on. There's something about slowing down the mind to the speed of the pen that helps you be more present. An easy way to find the pages is to go to the main menu in the app and press on Writing My Gift, Purpose, and Vision, then press the link to the guide module. If you don't have it, press pause now and get the Gift, Purpose, and Vision guide module ready to hand. Okay, I hope you have these 3 pages handy. I'm going to walk you through establishing what we'll call 1.0 of your gift, purpose, and vision now. Imagine that in order to optimize the possibility and potential of your life, you start with the assignment to construct a foundation of purpose using just 3 words. Words are the currency of our thoughts. Words are what guides our T, our thought, energy, and action, and helps us learn to live more and more on purpose. So we're going to start with 3 words, which are the initial building blocks for your life on purpose. What 3 words will you choose? You can have any word in language, any 3 words in the dictionary. And yes, for this assignment, only 3. What words will you choose as the foundation for your life on purpose? On the guide module that you printed, there are a group of words at the top. You can use words from this list, or they may stimulate thoughts of other words that bring an uplifting energy, power, inspiration for you. The most important thing is to get words that resonate, kind of uplift your soul and help you with your presence. Over the years of working with others, the most common word chosen is love. For whatever reason, when people start to consider their purpose for existence, the presence and importance of love comes to mind for so many people. The next 3 most chosen words are probably grace, peace, and courage. And joy, happiness, and empowerment are also very commonly chosen. One way to choose the words that resonate for you is to pay attention to the energy they bring as you hold them in your mind. So you might think, peace, does it raise my energy? Or presence, or freedom. As you give consideration to these being foundational for you, do you feel uplifted by a sense of freedom, power, inspiration? You could also select a group of words and rate them on a scale of 1 to 10 for levels of energy that you sense as you think of them. I recommend you pause the video in just a moment and select 3 words that seem best for you at this time. These will build the foundation for your life on purpose as we play the game. Don't overlabor this. You can always upgrade them later. This is not about getting life on perfect. It's about getting life on purpose. And we need to get started and get in the game. So pause the video now and select your 3 words. Okay, hopefully you have 3 words that seem energizing, uplifting, and bring a sense of freedom, power, and inspiration to your mind and body. If you haven't done it yet, write the 3 words in the middle of the first page on the blank lines, numbered 1, 2, and 3. I'll wait. Okay, now think of an aircraft sitting on the runway. It needs fuel for its flight. Imagine you are the airplane. Which of the 3 words do you want to use to fill your own tank, your fuel tank of life, full to overflowing? Pick the 1 word that you want to be sure to get the most of. What do you want to fill your tank of life up with? Choose that word now. Once you've chosen the word that you want to fill your tank of life with, write my gift next to it. Now, the same aircraft that you imagine as yourself needs to be propelled down the runway and lifted into flight. Of the 2 remaining words, choose the one that seems to move you the most. What gives you a sense of thrust or seems to propel you forward in life? Out of those 2 words, pause for a minute and choose that one, the one that moves you the most. Once you've chosen that word, write my purpose next to it. Obviously, there's one remaining word. Write vision next to that word. You'll transpose your gift, purpose, and vision onto the template, which is the last page of the guide module. Write your name on the blank line at the top. If it was me, I'd write my name, Mike's on Purpose Now, using the logo. Now write the word you chose for your gift on the blank line after I'm here to give the gift of. And write the word you chose as your purpose on the blank line after my purpose now is to live with. Write it in that blank. Write the word for your vision in the blank line after I envision and create a world of. My current gift, purpose, and vision, shared in this format, is I'm here to share the gift of presence. My purpose is to live with love. I envision and create a world of freedom. Take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath together. Ah, not that big a deal, not that painful after all, right? This work can take a lot of thought and effort. I want you to know that it's worth the thought and you're worth the effort. You want to now begin to review this gift, purpose, and vision daily, probably several times a day. After the question, do you want to live on purpose now? We might ask, how much? So take it to heart as if this is your very reason for existing. You could relate as if this is why you're on planet Earth, and use it to guide you. It'll reveal itself to you. Your purpose will start to kind of have a voice within you. It'll show you access to your inner power and the inner journey to clarity. And it'll show you how to learn from it and how to apply it in various situations. Now go back to the app and click the three-line menu icon on the top left. From there, click the icon that says Writing My Gift, Purpose, and Vision. Enter your gift, purpose, and vision there. Once you've done that, be sure to press the Save button. And then press the Here and Now down at the bottom by the lightning bolt. And you'll see your gift, purpose, and vision is there for your review and practice. Underneath it is a place to write your key plays, which you'll come back to later. Now it's in the app. You've designed 1.0 of your gift, purpose, and vision. You put it in the app. You've done that much to get ready to start your game. The life game on purpose is a journey, and you're doing what it takes to make the most of it. So take a minute to celebrate your progress. You may remember that we started with the question, do you want to live on purpose now? I shared that the common responses start with, well, I don't know what it is. With this work, we've used the power of purpose itself to establish what it is. It may change in language or take new forms as you learn and grow. That's okay. Tweaking it is good. Yet with this work, you have a start and enough to get in the game and play to learn. Thank you for trusting and doing what it takes to make the most of your game in life. I know as you learn to give your gift, live your purpose, and create the vision you have of a better self and world, it can have a profound impact on you and the people you touch. I'm honored to be your guide for these stretches in the journey. Let's run the next play on Purpose Now.